Hey friends, if you wish to fix task host Windows stopping background tasks in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Scroll down and select troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters and then click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. Then press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Go to choose what the power buttons do. Select change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the box associated with turn on fast startup. Select save changes. Okay. And the last solution will be a little different. You will have to perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.